welcome to Food of the Pharaohs, and today we are making hummus. Hummus in Arabic is actually called chickpea. The first thing that we're going to do with this hummus is I actually took the chickpea and I soaked it overnight, and I just peeled the skin off and I put it in this food processor. Now what you want to do is you do want to boil it just for a few minutes until the chickpea gets a little bit soft. So once your chickpea is cooked, you're going to take the skin off and you're going to put it in this food processor. Now we're going to make a tahini sauce before we put it into our food processor. So what I did is I actually sauteed some garlic and put it in some butter, maybe about a tablespoon of butter, and then you just kind of saute it until it gets a really nice brown color. And then you're going to put it into a bowl, and once you get it into your bowl, you're going to add all of your ingredients. So you want to add your lemon, which you're going to take it and you're going to squeeze a little bit of lemon and put it in there. Now, this isn't a traditional hummus. Normally when you make a hummus, it is, you know, obviously it is with lemon and chickpeas and all that good stuff, but they don't normally saute the garlic before they put it into the hummus itself. Normally what they'll do is they'll put it in whole. And I put 2 cloves of garlic in here, sauteed. So we're going to mix this up. And as that's mixed, we're going to I took my leftover chickpea water and I'm going to add it to my bowl. And again, you want to mix that all up. And then we're going to add our tahini sauce. Tahini you can get at any supermarket, a Whole Foods, anything like that. And we're gonna just mix all that up. All right, and then as we're done doing that, we're going to add our seasoning. Now, this is optional. Again, this is not your traditional hummus, but you can add some cumin to it, which that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a little cumin in there. We're going to add some salt. I love to use pink Himalayan salt just because it has a lot of health benefits in there. And then also a little bit of pepper. So once you get all that in there, we're going to take our liquid and we're going to just pop it right into your food processor. And depending on how thick you want your hummus, you might want to add a little more tahini paste. For those of you that don't know what tahini is, it's actually a sesame paste. And they just kind of roast it up and they mash it up until it turns into this paste consistency. Now what we want to do is puree this, so this is going to be very loud. All right. Now you just want to mix it up until it really gets a smooth consistency. All right, let's check this out. Let's put a spoon in there. Now it is still a little bit chunky, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a little bit more tahini in there. This is to your liking. You don't have to put as much as I do. I love tahini, so I'm going to put as much as I want. All right, let's check it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's nice and smooth. Depending on, you know, your seasonings, you could add a little more salt to it, a little more pepper, whatever you'd like. But now I'm going to put it in my little bowl here. And look how beautiful. Now, see how beautiful and smooth this is? This is like really, really good hummus. I think the only way to get it this smooth is if you take the time to peel your chickpea. And also if you do cook it just a little bit so all that flavor comes out of there. All right, so what I like to do is I make a little well with my spoon, just a little well. All right, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna garnish it. So I have some tomatoes, I have a cilantro. Again, that is not traditional. I love cilantro, so I'm going to add it to my hummus. And I also have onion and some feta cheese. Yes, feta cheese. So I'm going to just garnish that, put that right on top. It looks beautiful. All right. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne or paprika, anything you like, right on the top of that. And then also I'm gonna add black seed. Now the black seed is unique because a lot of people don't know what this is. It has a lot of health benefits, and in Arabic we call it baraka, which means blessing. And the ancient Assyrians used to use it to cure a lot of diseases. Now, this is our hummus and it looks amazing, and I can't wait till you try it. I'm gonna try a bite to see how this turned out. Like, I keep staring at it because it just looks so good. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the feta cheese. Traditionally with the hummus, you could have like pickles or olives with it, even like avocado if you wanted to try to really switch it up. Let's take a bite. It's so good. When you roast or saute that garlic, it really makes this hummus just that much more better. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care.